And you a bar Keithroig and Mullen Kerr, thought is Derry go gashes Buaicphointí when a Dicholo Hachans go rin 3, so the Glyph Dernach. Why did an Iarmhí by the Pointy Wahashud, Martha Jessica Post, or do came all, the Imrory Anta, Lina Lawn Cool the Iarmhí, och Anmacha Nachmech made Kena Ata Ora, a Gimmers Kama. Tá Tahigus Comas Offach, a Gimmert, a Lore and Enid Unsahe, David Williams, as Derry McCormack, plus Dean Ennis, Lina Lawn Passach. At Scolor, Neil Carver Schlacht Nail or in Gurre. Customary Mahi, Joseph Mulholland, Conor Coyle is Carr McGilligan. The raw hours of Lina Lawn Passach, the Jamie Lee McGlade, August Tiernan Milaw, Shit. Tynona Jackson shot, Mullingar. Ian Doire Shintwish. Made Boshi to fake again a hoot of Liana. Iarmhí to Ganza Maroon or Sundul. Shin Cheshin Ginger Eamon Cunning, V. Eamon Cunning or Tivlina. Ah, Shannon score again, man. What's a good again? You're hot to Machanish. Iarmhí Leash, Carloch Kildare, Kerr Urnata. A trouble over in the months to the Irritol Kane. Conor Coyle, who's a Conor Glushel, to a photo right on. Glushel, the Conor Coyle is Ashen score, good bro. What's a Conor Coyle? It's on the Fornia Corum. And Puckamachi Sean Jackson. They don't even love a gesture. So Shashin got to Harrison, so Shantz Johnish, Jack Carney. Jack Carney, Brandon Brook, Jack Carney, Obola, August Ken, Jess Ray, Jack Carney, and the Iarmhí Torrent slow piece of bog. Oh, Baganin Squeak should go on the chin. August Chapan to my court and chop. Eamon Cassidy. Boy. Skirting on all less better. Nish. Sean Chance David Williams. Shaking Kurahara Trust and a good G shop. Will ever shock the chacht. Hoggy Devon. Shock Goolin Atra Nish. There are Nunci Reach, Dorchan and Chillis and Sheriff Tuckwaha, they fought to Rashid David Williams, Captain Iarmhí, Williams and shot to Gownell. Chuck Trass and Jonas Peter Clark, who Majashin and Gimmer to Gordon Vic Gibbon, Nis Luha and Leona, Pass Jas Trust and Washul, Dean Ennis and Brandon August De August, and Coimert and Iarmhí and Chen. She fought to Finton Bradley. Brew Maha Chachtan General Lads here via Ratching Bradley Reach and Mertwahige. I could get Immert Hire Bagin Meath Lachter and shot. Nish Sean Chance, the Council Bullcheck Eamon Conway. August has a nice fire by Wadley's go Gypsy in a Tastal on the court or intro. Ollie Baker's in it, Rince Ibra, a shot room one is to Mar. Coach Ali Cantra Budget Jack Cullen of the Budget Har Bauer again. The Rashigali to have Markinol Eleanor Spontish. What the hell is going on? Budget John is that Peter Clark Arish, Peter Galo, Gary Grimmer Gomon, Nogza, Wool Hard Trust on, scored das O Omonima. So I thought Christy McNaughton took a Shachanish, a Derry Chin, August Imro Sheentse. August Will. Yeah, just bugging in squeal till go on. August Peter Clark and Gareth Jacker goal. Pascal Trastig and Bulta Bagnin Roa, the Will Bader, on Trelifo Saka, the Derry McCormack Jack Trasta, McCormack Shear. Father Shane Williams hacking east on the lawn cool start. Shane Williams on score roll. August Nish Jetuck Rory Keys of a head dribble and Shaw. Pano Carter Boy on these Luha. Dark and a shock thaw. Boy was Boy. Derek Togeshinish to Derek Genta Rory Keys and Shaw. Which is just a teave. They're on Tarva once as a very brush it. Clishte, Macha Fada, the Cormac of Doherty, a Bulla, Hard Traston, and Bernard Lloyd Jacob. There are not reaching cancer Bulchistach. The fight Douglan Foley, Ashton score Hurling, Douglan Foley, on the answer, Guzo. Shaking at Turnish. Shella fought Andrew Shaw. Shaw Coray and Shawhanish. Shane Williams, which are calling these Luho, will Jessica Darrican, Shane Williams on Bulla Ord, August Shane Williams, Harold Trasnon. Oh, score, bro, watching Shane and Joseph Darrila. Watching a long tossach. Jackals hard far more larger. Shella Fosage. Chance Darren McGilligan. Block Alsa. Shella Macarish. Oh, and Tower did the goal bar. Watch a force on, touching a Lachuli Lor. But she kick Alsa. I don't go out to one Schachtisch. Fangeweckenwood. But on Tower to be getting a goal bar. John Jackson. Jim Vien Lawn Tossach Stehan, Vien Lachuli Lor, Vien Mihon McGrath, Stehan, come on. On cool Cadahag, and Bernard Lloyd, it is continued Curracolin. Emercy Aston Andrew Shaw Ryan is David Williams, the Amagan here to Vog, it's David Williams, it's in Cole, score David Williams, the Spossige, the Omega. Versha Nirut Agus. The Derry Glyphus Mark Hiveden's captain. They're the Chachterish, the counter butchers to Yolande Foley. Darren McGilligan. Costin Jumping Gas, Jessica Jassing McGilligan. Well, better not with Jerry, Gentle Force. Lyda Hackerish, the Kerricolin. Run the Shagama. Door the Shet. Clash came Mistach. Krieg Ischel. Van Mocha Darted to Memele Cool. Nilchig Lantamach Foes. Van Cancer Bulza. Agus all Cole score will take. Darren McGilligan and Derry Canning McGilligan. Ord Cool Gajo. Well, Vichy Derry on Bosch Hansen is Luho. Better not Derry Denta Foes and Derry are no taking shit. Kashi the show walkins. What is the gear of Fanacht? Rina Hain. Rina Dover here tomorrow. Agus tá nádó Iarmhí séite Derry le Derry by the rinne 3 of Linja Hogan.
You know, we've only lost one game, so we're there on 7 points. Kerry have to go and play Meath and Trim. That's probably the top 2 teams in the Christy Ring playing each other. So anything could happen there. If we win our game against Mayo, we'll end up at 9, and if Kerry win, they'll end up at 9. It's come down to score difference. Theirs is better than ours. Look, we'll go out and we'll go to win the game in Mayo and see where it takes us.